...2024 and later Hyundai Santa Fe models can have as many as 2 wireless charging pads. You can identify the charging pads by the Qi logo. Some Santa Fe models are equipped with 2 wireless charging pads on the center console, while other models are equipped with 1 charging pad on the left side of the center console and a phone rest pad on the right side. See the video description for a list of which models have a single charging pad and which models have 2 pads. To use the charge pads, first make sure the feature is enabled. Go to Setup, then Vehicle, then Convenience, then Wireless Charging System for mobile devices. Ensure that it is turned on. Make sure the vehicle is turned on. Make sure the doors are closed. The wireless charging pad will stop working when the doors are open, but will resume charging when they are all closed. And make sure there's nothing else on the charging pad. Be sure to center your phone in the middle of the charging pad for optimum charging performance. Confirm that the charging lights are on, indicating your phone is charging. No matter the Hyundai model, there are a few items that you should know about wireless charging. First, wireless charging is not as fast or efficient as wired charging. If you need your phone charged quickly, using the charging cable is your best option. You may notice that your phone feels warm after charging. This is normal and not a cause for concern. Some mobile phones feature a self-protection feature. These models may automatically decrease charging speed or stop it altogether at times if the heat buildup becomes too great. Charging your phone without a case on can help prevent this from happening. Closing background programs that are running can also help reduce heat. In addition, keeping the display off while on the charging pad can help prevent heat buildup. If you're using the available digital key feature, the wireless charging system may stop temporarily when the digital key is being used. This is normal. And if you're using wireless charging and wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto at the same time, charging or playback may be interrupted due to phone temperature. If this happens, please use a wired connection. See your owner's manual for more information on circumstances that may slow or stop charging. And of course, don't forget to remove your phone when you leave your vehicle. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com. My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.